Hi, Adam Bishop here from Zorbit's Math Adventure with another home learning kit. Today we're using dice again. We're going to do a really cool number tumbler activity for number sense and counting to 12 or rolling two dice and combining those numbers. We have a Connect 5 activity that combines tons of operations. This activity is good for starting with grade 2, grade 3, but you can extend this. All kinds of ages can have fun with this, depends on what you want to do with it. So we'll show you those, but I'm going to start today with the actual coloring sheets, because in this case the creative team has really gone above and beyond and combined with the education team to really make this cool diagram which incorporates math and a little bit of fun. So here we're just matching up numbers for some of our younger users here, coloring this cool sloth diagram with the different indicated numbers. But from we've made it a little more challenging for some of our older users. We've changed up the numbers and given clues like a multiple of 5 or a prime number or the even numbers or talk about place value. So that's a really fun way to just enhance some fundamental skills and understanding in our math. Another fun game we can play is Connect 5. So here we're working on number flexibility, number sense, operations. We're rolling 4 different die, trying to make a series of numbers so that we connect 5 in a row. So if we roll numbers like 5, 3, 2, 1, we can combine them in all sorts of different ways to get a variety of numbers, and then we color them off on our sheet, asking lots of questions, increasing our power of manipulating numbers. Another game that we can play is called Number Tumblers. So in this game, we're working with 2 die, working from the numbers 0 to 12, and just working on a number sense, combining, recognizing what the combination is on the die, so some subitizing, counting on strategies, lots of different things we work for our addition for our younger students, and then marking them off on a number line to see how far we can get, which numbers we can get. So we get a quick combination of 4 plus 4 to get 8, which is a great skill. Find 8 and realize we already have it, so this time we decided to circle it. Anything here that works with increasing our number sense and little simple addition skills is a great thing to practice at home.